waking up, so I hear the song outside my door. Coffee cup to heal the rough night that was. Makes no difference, closure, I won't try. Because your lovely voice rings like wedding bells, and they ask you to help, but still the flowers wilt. And I reminisce the things you'd sing and say, hum the tune of meet again someday. But morning bird will remind me of the love you once sang. The songbird sings from the sky. Oh, the songbird sings from the sky. It's the songbird I've been hearing again. It's the songbird I've been singing, amen. It's the sweet, sweet sound of love. It's the sweet, sweet sound of it. Lately I feel better, I suppose. I'm on the fence sometimes, but when I stay in bed, the birds will sing in the morning. They'll sing in the morning. They'll sing in the morning. And though the tears will flood, they could cover all the fields. I ain't going out tonight, 'cause I'm going out of sky. Oh, the songbird sings from the sky. Oh, the songbird sings from the sky. It's the songbird I've been hearing again. It's the songbird I've been singing, amen. It's the sweet, sweet sound of love. It's the sweet, sweet sound of enchanted. Here, little darling, they invited me to see the lights. Big city ain't the same when you're not by my side. I kick up my heels in our house alone, and I drink one more, and I drink one more, and it's just happiness, I guess. It is what they all suggest. I won't try it anymore, 'cause your death I can't forget. But morning bird will remind me of the love you once sang. The songbird sings from the sky. Oh, the songbird sings from the sky. It's the songbird I've been hearing again. It's the songbird I've been singing, amen. It's the sweet, sweet sound of love. You're the sweet